Hey, what's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. So ACEFAST sent out their brand new earbuds for me to test. They're called the ACEFAST T6 and they come in a variety of different colors. They're going to come in the vibrant green, sapphire blue, ice blue, which I do have right here, the lotus pink, and the modern gray, and these are about $39.99. There's not a discount code at the moment, but I'll make sure I update the link down below so you guys can know what's good with these things. But they're going to offer, water resistancy. They're also going to have a lot of features that we're going to be checking out, like ENC microphones and stuff like that. So let's just take a look at the box, right? But this is going to be pretty cool because they're going to have USB Type-C charging. They're going to have 4 hours of listening time. They're going to have LED digital lights which will display accurate case and headset battery, as well as 4 different mics for you to actually mess around with for when you're talking on phone calls. And if you're the type of person who takes business calls, you need a good microphone so it can cancel out the background noise around you. So Bluetooth 5.0 as well. And we're also going to have the stylish clear it says right here, superior clear sound with stylish clear case, attentive environmental noise cancellation, so you could basically pick up the call sound and make the call clearer. Silicone right here, protective case. It says it does have inside of here one-step connection. And what I did notice about these guys is that they're IPX4 right here, and they do take about the headset takes about 1 hour to charge. The charging case takes about 2 hours to charge. The working time on these is 20 hours. And what's really cool about these is that you do get a warranty up to 18 months, okay? So I think that's something that's pretty cool with the 500 milliamp hour battery. So one of the things that you should notice about these guys is that they're gonna give you 1.5 hours of listening time when you charge them for about like 10 minutes. It's going to give you 1.5 hours listening time. So I think that's something that's pretty sick, right? So what's cool is that you could just lift open this flap right here. So let's just go ahead and check out what comes inside of the box. But if you're brand new to the channel, I truly appreciate you for coming through. I encourage you to subscribe and get notified for more videos just like this. But if you're already a part of the crew, salute. So let's just jump right in. I'm gonna go ahead, cut the tape on here. There is like this portion right here that you have to cut. Okay, we got that open. Now let's go ahead, lift this part open, and let's take a look at the accessories first, because it is giving us some accessories that we can use included in the bundle. So let me see which direction this is. I don't want to rip it, but anger levels are starting to pick up a little bit because I'm not sure what's going on. Okay, there we go. Just in time. So you do have a protective clear case. This is like the silicone case that they were talking about. I never seen a company actually offer this in the bundle. So this is kind of crazy right here, because if they drop, you're gonna have this protective clear case for your own convenience. Let's put off the packaging off to the side. I like the packaging so far. You can see right here it does say high quality calls. We're gonna do a microphone test, so make sure you stay to the end of the video, right? But you do get the LED 4 mics and stuff like that, and it does say that they're professionally tuned for the sound quality. So I'm gonna go ahead and test everything out for you guys. What's also included inside of the bundle is another package including the earbuds, which look really cool. Look how these are put inside the case with the transparent case on there. So I'm gonna go ahead and put this back in here. Let's go ahead and put this off to the side now. Okay, let's stand this up, and then let's put these in the center, and then let's go ahead and take a look at this. Slide this out. What comes inside of here is, wow, they did a really good job with the packaging. This looks really cool. You get about 2, 4, 6 extra ear tips besides the ones that are on there. So you're gonna get you're gonna get the 8 altogether. So wait, we're missing one just flew over somewhere. Here it is. So that's 2, 4, 6, and then 8, the ones that are included on here. So let's go ahead and peel the tape off of here. And this is the protective case that you get. Let's just take a look at this in a little bit more detail, right? So you can see right now there's blinking lights on here. And you can see right here, you could see through the case. So I don't know if you guys ever heard of the the nothing earbuds. These kind of remind me of that, but instead of the earbud being translucent, it's the case that's translucent or transparent. So these look actually pretty cool. It's made of this plastic material. Look at the charging mechanism. You can see that directly inside of the earbuds. I have a charger, so I'm gonna see what happens when I put these on a charger, right? Because I have a brick right here. Let's go ahead, put that in, and now you can see I'm gonna open this up. Let me just make sure I pop this out. Okay, so that's how it works. You pretty much pop these guys out right there, and they sit inside of there. I'm not seeing, hold on one second. I'm trying to figure out how you could see the actual LED light notification on here. So I turned it on. I just turned on the charger, and it says it's at 99%. So it's on the camera, it looks like it's blinking really weird, but it doesn't look like that in real life. It's just blinking on this number right here, not on both of them. So that's actually pretty cool. They do have some blue tape on here, so you could peel that off on that one. And let's peel this. They do kind of feel a little bit light in the hand, I'm not gonna front, but you can see we do get that stem style design on here. Very ergonomic shape too. So it says okay, meaning that they're fully charged. So now I'm gonna sit these back in the case, and this is actually pretty crazy because you can see right here they sit really well in the case, and there's no flipping or popping open anything. It's literally you just take them out of the case right here. So let me pop this guy in. It gives like a pop sound, and then on the thing it says the battery indication level right here. So it does tell you that it's the left one, and then it does tell you the battery level, and then when you pop it back in you can see the left and right level, and then okay just means that it's fully charged, right? So let's go ahead and pair these up to my device real quick. I also want to put the silicone case on here so you can see what that looks like. So basically you pop this on right here, and then you can actually put like some type of loop on here, like a little rope or something, but it doesn't come with that. So I just kind of wanted to throw that out there, but if you do have that, you can put it on there. But this is going to protect the case from falling. It has the logo on the back as well. So really good packaging. I'm pretty impressed with this. You do have to take the case off though, like this, to take these out. So you kind of got to slide it off. So let's go ahead and put these. I'm gonna actually see if we can get these guys going on my Google Pixel 6 device, right? So let's go ahead, long hold on the Bluetooth feature right here, and then we're gonna go pair a new device, and nothing is gonna pop up automatically. So you have to take these guys out at the same time. So now you can see it says 99%. I took it out and it says the ACEFAST Crystal T6. So that's the name of these guys. Let's go ahead, pop these in the ear. It does tell me that you can pair it. You hear a little beep, and now they're at 90% right now. So I can hear myself perfectly fine. There's no issues with that. Overall, the fit is extremely snug in the ear. I can't even front. It does feel really snug. I picked this color because it has a nice look to it. They're made of this like plastic slippery material, but it's not too slippery when you actually hold it with the stem. So you get the stem style. The overall look of these is pretty crazy. Let's go ahead and I'm gonna test out the microphones right now so you can hear how the microphones sound on these, and I'm actually gonna do a sound listen to these in a little bit second, but I want you guys to hear the microphones and let me know how these sound. So let's just put the microphone on. Okay, so now it's recording. I'm gonna actually press record now. Hey, what's going on, guys? So this is the microphones on the ACEFAST earbuds right now. Let me know how these sound when I'm talking. I'm gonna actually play some music right here on my phone so you can kind of hear some background noise, but to give you an overall idea of how these would sound when you're talking through them. So this is just basically a quick microphone test, improv, so you guys can hear that. Let me do New York City, let me see, outside window noise. And I just want to give you an idea of how it sounds when there's some background noise or something like that. Okay, here we go. So I got the audio going in the background over my voice. Let me just skip this ad real quick, but let me know how the microphones sound right now. I'm just doing a quick microphone test so you could hear these guys. There's a lot of ads right now popping up on the screen, so just to give you an idea how these would sound from this camera, and now I'm going to turn it back to this camera. So this is how it would sound with background noise. I'm actually talking right over the speaker on my phone, so just to give you an idea. I put these real close up to the microphones, microphone, so you can kind of hear what it would sound like if I was outside of a window when we were talking, having a conversation, right? So that's just a quick micro. Hey, what's going on, guys? So it just rained, and these managed to hold up very well as well. So this is the microphones outdoors. Let me know how it sounds. But you could wear these in the rain and you should be perfectly fine. Let me know how the mic sound. Don't test, but let me give these guys a quick listen when it comes to the overall listening experience. But 4 hours, like I said, on a single charge. 1.5 hours when you charge them for 10 minutes, right? So far listening experience is pretty decent. No bass is kicked in yet, but let me listen to these real quick. Okay guys, so I did look at the user manual. You get volume controls, moving the tracks forward and back. You also do get the option to pause, and you know, that's pretty much everything. They don't have Google Assistant, but that's something I'm okay with because they do got the volume controls, right? So one tap right here, let me show you. One tap raises the volume on the right side. 2 taps pauses it. 1, 2. 1, 2. Alright, so 1, 2. Alright, so it pauses it. It took me 3 times to do that, so just keep that in mind that they're not let me try that one more time. 1, 2. Okay, so it worked. 1, 2, 3. It registered that as 2 taps. 1, 2, 3. Okay, so now it moved the track forward. Let's try the other side. So 1, 2. That's pause. 1, 2. Play. Okay, cool. 1, 2, 3. That brings the track backwards, and then 1 tap is the volume. So that brings it down. So I'm really impressed with these guys overall. Let me just listen to another song with some bass inside of it, but I can't right now I'm having a really good impression overall with these guys. Let's raise the volume. Okay, so right about there is a really good level on my Pixel device. I could still hear while I'm talking, which is pretty cool. So the fact that they have that, wow, it just got a lot louder when you take them out. So you'll be talking a lot louder to people, and you won't really realize that. So I just want to throw that out there. Let's try them with one earbud at a single time. Pretty warm, not too heavy on the bass. Let me turn these down just a little bit. Good instrument separation. Let's put this in here, and now it says 98%. I'm still able to listen with one ear connected, so that's pretty cool. Let's try the other one. It gives you a beeping noise, and then it connects immediately. Quick connection. Now this is back in the case, and I'm listening to the right one by itself. So these are actually pretty crazy. I really like the design on these with the translucent, transparent case. You also get the silicone case right here to when you're traveling, and you also do get a little loop so you can actually put these on a bag or something. So overall, these are really solid earbuds. I'm gonna listen to some music, but let me know what you guys think of the ACEFAST as far as the microphones. I definitely think 4 hours is pretty decent when it comes to the battery. For $39, it's a pretty decent headphone. So I'm gonna go listen to these earbuds and work out. But if you found this video helpful, make sure you guys hit the like button, because every single like helps the channel, and I appreciate you guys for kicking it with me real quick and chilling with me. But these are definitely pretty solid earbud. You could also match the ear tips to your personal liking, so you got bigger ones, smaller ones, or medium ones, and the ones on here are actually like I think these are like medium, so they have all different sizes, and these actually have a really good fit. I like the way these fit. They're not gonna fall out easy. You can see I'm really trying to get them out of here, and they're not. They're very well placed inside of the ear, so these work for me. I'm gonna check you guys later, but I appreciate you guys for coming through and kicking it with me real quick. Make sure you hit the like button and have a great morning, afternoon, evening, depending where you are. Have a great night later, group. Peace.
Are you ready?